Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to use Prototype in Figma. To start using the prototyping features in Figma, click on the Prototype tab, which is right next to the Design tab. Now, when you hover over your frames, you'll see connectors that you can click and drag to link different frames together. This is how we create the interactions for our prototype. Once you've connected your frames, you'll notice the options for creating interactions on the right side of the screen. Here, you can define the interaction type, such as navigation between screens, and set the overflow behaviors. Let's check out the options. To see your prototype in action, click on the play button at the top. This will open a preview window where you can interact with your prototype. For example, if you want to set the prototype to display on an iPhone, you can select the device type under Prototype Settings. You can also change the background color or adjust the starting frame. Let's create our first interaction by linking a button to the next screen. For instance, we'll set the Get Started button to navigate to the next page. Simply drag the connector to the desired frame and choose an animation. Let's select Push as our animation, and we'll push the screen from the bottom. You can preview this animation right away. Now, let's repeat this process for other buttons. We'll link each button to the next screen using the same Push animation. Once all the links are set, preview the prototype again by clicking the play button. You can navigate through your screen seamlessly using the buttons. Thanks for watching. This video is part of a playlist with more Figma tips. Check out the full web page design tutorial in the description below.